The language processing hierarchy is a way of organizing fundamental language skills based on the book The Source for Processing Disorders by Gail J. Ph.D., CCC-SLP. Her work is more complex than I can describe here, so I'll just try to summarize the basic idea of the language hierarchy chart. The idea is that children learn to sort language ideas into categories in their brain, starting with simple relationships to more complex ones. If your child is given a language processing test as part of his evaluation, he will likely be tested on these same things. Number 1 would be labeling. Can the child name the object? Like, it's a shoe. Number 2, the next level up, is functions. Can the child tell what the object does? You wear a shoe on your foot. Number 3 is associations. Can the child tell what things go with that object? Socks and feet go with a shoe. The next level up is categorizing. Can the child tell what objects are in a certain category? For instance, a shoe is in the clothes group or the footwear group. At this level, they also include the following: antonyms and synonyms, like the opposite of hot is cold, and another word for happy is glad. And then basic concepts. Does the child understand the words above, below, beside, left, right? The 5th level is similarities. How are two objects alike as far as purpose, category, or function? For instance, a fridge is like a stove because they are both appliances in your kitchen that you use for your food. Number 6 is differences. How are two objects different as far as purpose, category, or function? A fridge keeps your food cold and a stove heats up your food. Number 7 is multiple meanings. What are two meanings for a certain word? For example, trunk can be the long nose of an elephant or the bottom part of a tree. And then we're getting even more complicated with number 8, that's idioms. What does this figure of speech really mean? For example, it's raining cats and dogs means that it's raining really hard. Number 9 is analogies. Comparing something to another thing using the word like or as. For instance, life is like a box of chocolates means that you never know what's going to happen in life, just like when you pick a chocolate from a box. You never know what kind you're going to get. So these are all great things to work on with your child. For more tips on how to improve basic language skills, especially in young children, please watch my video, Parents Can Help with Their Child's Speech Language Treatment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.